I'm gonna get straight to the point. If you think you're going to become a millionaire on YouTube, don't expect it to happen overnight. I know it seems like every single YouTuber out there is making bank.
My highest earning video made $28,162,
$23,324,
$142,317,
$169,000.
For 2020 so far, this channel has made $1,583,755.81 in ad revenue.
Out of 16,000 respondents, 79% had not even reached the 1,000 minimum subscriber count that YouTube requires before considering you for their partnership program.
It's really hard to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is perhaps the reality check headline of this video. Almost 4 in every 5 people who voted in this poll could not say that they've actually reached 1,000 subscribers.
Monica and I started this YouTube channel on January 23rd, 2021. Our first video was uploaded on February 26th, and it took our channel 5 months from the end of February to the end of July to go from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. And on September 1st at 11:15 p.m., we were finally monetized. A lot of you probably don't know what that means. So let me explain. As a YouTuber, when you upload a video, companies pay YouTube a fee to have their ads show up on your video. Prior to becoming a YouTube partner and getting monetized on YouTube, YouTube gets 100% of the revenue that these companies pay to advertise on the platform. However, as a YouTuber, once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or in other words, your videos have been watched for a total of 4,000 hours, you will be allowed to join YouTube's partner program. YouTube will then pay you 55% of all earned revenue from the ads played in your videos and watched by your viewers. And just to break it down even further, the amount that advertisers pay YouTube for every 1,000 views on your videos is called cost per milli, or CPM. And the money that YouTube pays you as a content creator after they get their cut is called revenue per milli, or RPM. So in essence, the higher your RPM, the more money you get for every 1,000 views. This is where the content of your videos comes in. Gaming channels have RPMs as low as $1 to $2. That means they are only earning $1 to $2 for every 1,000 views they get on their videos.
Like, where's my last GTA video? Okay, $2,000 from 2.5 million clicks, 98 cents RPM in March. No, 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 no thanks. No thanks.
But if you are someone who is in the finance space and talks mostly finance, your RPM can be anywhere from 10 to 15 or even 20 RPM.
As of November 25th of 2020, this channel has made close to $500,000 this year alone.
So a video with 1 million views can earn someone talking about finance as much as $20,000. And the reason for that is because financial institutions are willing to pay a hefty fee to secure a customer. And where do you think they're more likely to get those customers from? So what did getting monetized mean for me and Monica? Well, for one, we prepared ahead of time because we knew that we could earn money not just from YouTube, but from selling a product or a service as well. And with that, our website was launched on the same day our YouTube channel was monetized. On our first day of being monetized, we earned a whopping total of $1.67. By the end of that month, we earned a total of $137 in AdSense revenue. On the other hand, our website earned us $239 during that same month. By the end of 2021, we were able to earn $433 from sales on our website and $680 from YouTube, with an RPM of $11.46. And by the end of that year, we had also gone from 0 to 3,300 subscribers. Then, if you fast forward to 2022, this has been a big year for us. We were anticipating reaching 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And as of the recording of this video, we are at 20,300 subscribers. So far, we've earned a total of $5,853 from YouTube AdSense as of November 2022 and $2,488 from product sales on our website. That brings our total earnings so far this year to $8,341. I bet you didn't think it was going to be that low. And when I compare our channel to another YouTuber I follow by the name of Joshua Mayo, who started his channel the same month as us, and I see that he's earning over $70,000 per month.
And then in 2021, I started this YouTube channel that you're watching right now. And as of now, I am consistently averaging between $70,000 and $80,000 per month in income.
It took Mr. Beast 3 years to get to 2,000 subscribers.
2,000. What?
And now he's got well over 100 million subscribers.
We just hit 100 million subscribers, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you everyone that subscribed. And to celebrate, I bought this ginormous private island, and I'm giving it to one of you in this video.
Our goal is to be the #1 YouTube channel for nursing and finance. I want you along for this ride. We are going to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. So if you want to help support us, I suggest you like this video and watch our most popular video on our channel about the nurse who makes $600,000 per year and owns a Lamborghini.